Yeah. Hi everyone. I am Danish, working as assistant manager in Kenshin Systems Private Limited. We are in participating in the AI Automation Expo 2026. We had a great opportunity over here. We had a great exposure. Last time also we have participated over here, and this time we are in a big stall. We had great collaboration and great communication with all the visitors. And in Kenshin Systems, we do software applications exclusively for the manufacturers towards digital transformation and towards the Industry 4.0 solutions like HRMS solution, maintenance management solution, and then ticketing tools and visitor management system, everything. And then now we are into AI automation. We have our that company called SuperZen AI, where we are building our own AI solution, where we have agents like BA agent, debugging agent, coding agent, a single agent consisting of a complete package towards the market, and that will be grateful for the MNCs to reduce the manpower and take the automation to the next level. So looking forward to the next year automation as well as thank you all and thank you for your support.